Good morning and welcome. My name is Johnson Oroyemi. And this morning, I won't be talking about anything related to quantity surveying, but rather to share my discovery of a solution that I found while I was working during the course of the week last week. Uh, the problem I encounter, which I felt like the problem I encounter and the solution I found to it, which I feel like will help many people who is a user, someone who, anyone who uses Excel file to work. So, this is not my first time, converting an Excel file to PDF. But however, working with a template given to me, I when I was trying to convert the an Excel file to this Excel particular Excel file to PDF, I discovered I was losing the format of the Excel. Now, if you look at my Excel file, page break is applied to them. So, I mean, that's what I was expecting on converting those page break, on converting the Excel file to PDF. But doing that, I discovered that I lose my format. Some page will move to another. So, and I came up online on YouTube, researched into many video tutorial, and also read some articles. However, I wasn't getting the result I wanted. I keep losing my Excel format once I convert it to PDF. So, some suggested using print function. Using Microsoft Print to PDF. Some suggested using exports. So, if you look at that, I tried all of those options. Some even suggested resetting my page break. So which I did all of that, yet the result was the same. I keep losing my format. I haven't tried all. So which I'm going to try to do now. This is the original format of the template. So I use Microsoft Print to PDF and also and try to do that. So if you can see, before I go into that, excuse me, before I go into that, you will see that on trying to convert to PD print using to PDF using print function, you can see that my page is normal in the print review side of the screen. My page is normal, so the page break applied. So, but after I click the print function, let me say Excel to PDF. So, and save. So, let me try as much as possible to open it so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So, I'm coming so that so that you can see what I'm talking about. Let me switch to where you can see it. Okay, I think I should go to this place. I guess you can see my screen. Oh, sorry. Apology on that. It seems you couldn't see it. Sorry. Sorry. Apology on that. Okay. Please just hold on. Okay. So I think you should be able to see my page now. Can you see my page? Okay. Can you see it now? Okay, sorry. Explorer. So you could see. So I try and open it. The Excel file. Let me see. You can get it. Sorry. So sorry. Okay. It seems this thing is not coming up. But basically, if you try that function, you will discover that you are not getting the printouts. You will be seeing those one page breaking into each other. So what did I do then? What did I do that work? So what I did at work was that simply I went to um, I just observe. I went to page layout, like I said. Some suggested that we remove the page break, which all of them are correct. But in this particular instance, I noticed that uh, my own case is a peculiar case. The issue with the Excel file is a peculiar case in the sense that I observe in the scale to face option here that the former person that actually, the person that created this template, try to, in the process of trying to print out, try to shrink the width of the page to just one page. So, which in me trying to convert the entire file to PDF, there is a problem with that. I mean, it's affecting my own exercise of converting the whole file to PDF. So, what did I do? So, I simply just went to the width and change the value of the weight to automatic. So on doing that, I convert the Excel file again using, this time around, I use different option. I use Microsoft Print to PDF. It worked. I use export function. It worked. So let me use Microsoft Print to PDF function. So I did that, and let me say, uh, sorry, let me, so I did that. I converted the Excel file to Microsoft to print the F2, and if you open it, unfortunately I discovered that my the software is not actually picking my view. So if you try that, you discover that you can print. If you can see my screen, which I doubt you can, I'm having problem with the device. So if you can see that, you will discover that I was able to convert the Excel file to PDF without losing the formats. So I hope this help. Simply, like I said, just a quick recap. You go to your page layouts. If you've tried all the other options of using Microsoft Print to PDF, or even trying to, some suggested, like I said, save as. So I try to save, I mean, and use PDF, yet the result was still the same. So, but if you can come to the page layout and change the value of the width, wherever you're having maybe the width or the height to another value, maybe some are to one page or two page, just changing to automatic. Try and use the same function back, whether Microsoft Print to PDF or export function, or you even save as and save in PDF. You will have your PDF in the same format of Excel that you use. So I hope this help. So see you another time. I mean, this time around in quantity surveying class. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.